Innovation drives the future. Intelligent manufacturing empowers the era. Guangdong Yiqing Electric Appliances Company Limited was founded in 2010. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of CNC precision sheet metal fabrication and fin-type heat exchangers. Currently located in the Wusha National High-Tech Industrial Park, Shunde, Guangdong, we operate from a nearly 30,000 square meter production base. This enables us to efficiently meet the demands of domestic and international customers, utilizes standard coils sourced from major steel mills, CNC leveling and cutting. We possess over 20 high-speed, high-precision Japanese CNC punch presses and laser cutting machines. This ensures high-dimensional accuracy of our products, suitable for customized production of multiple varieties in small or large batches. Hundreds of CNC press brakes, automated bending centers, automatic riveting presses, hydraulic presses, spot welding, laser welding, automated welding and grinding equipment, and 3 automated digital spray painting lines, offering customized painting services in various colors per customer requirements. Fin-type heat exchanger division, U-bending tube equipment, fin press machines, vertical tube expanding machines, CNC coiling, bending machines, degreasing and drying equipment, automatic brazing, welding, leak testing equipment. Yiqing boasts an excellent, specialized team comprising experienced sheet metal engineers, refrigeration engineers, and manufacturing engineers. We implement industry-leading technical processes and solutions. Production processes are managed end-to-end by an MES digital intelligence system. We have obtained the ISO 9001 quality system certification. A comprehensive quality management system has been established, equipped with advanced inspection equipment for sheet metal, painting, etc. Holder of dozens of utility model patents and invention patents. Recognized as a Guangdong Provincial Specialized, Refined, Distinctive and New SRDN Enterprise and a National High-Tech Enterprise, we provide complete precision sheet metal and fin-type heat exchanger solutions, primarily serving industries including air source heat pumps, precision air conditioners, energy-saving air conditioners, commercial central air conditioning, refrigeration equipment, photovoltaic energy storage, new energy, smart home appliances, sheet metal fabrication for data center network cabinets. Yiqing values corporate culture and employee growth, fostering a shared philosophy with all staff members. Jointly build a benchmark factory for digitalized intelligent manufacturing and a century-old happy enterprise. We remain steadfast in our mission, striving for the material and spiritual well-being of all our partners, while simultaneously enhancing the competitiveness of our customers' products and propelling the continuous advancement of Made in China. We will continue to advance with determination and courage.